If you can't find your camera in Device Manager, I'm going to show you a few methods on how to find it. But before we get into that, just double check if your camera is actually plugged in, and on your webcam itself, it might have some privacy protecting screen, so you can remove that. Some webcams have that. Also, on the application where you want to use a webcam, make sure that it's actually selected. Also, you want to head over to search and type in camera privacy settings. Once you're on it, you want to make sure that this is on, and then for the application that you want to use, make sure that it's on. If you can't find your camera in Device Manager, I'm going to show you how to fix that. But once the camera pops up, right click on it and then click on Enable Device. Okay, so first we're going to right click on the Windows Start icon, then we're going to head over to Device Manager. Once you're on it, we're going to click on our computer name, which might be like desktop or something like that. Just click on it and then head over to View and then click on Show Hidden Devices. After you do that, then your camera should pop up right here, or it might be an imaging device. So something here might come up as imaging device, which might be your camera. Once your camera appears, you want to expand it and then make sure that you right click on your webcam and then click on Enable Device. Do this for all of the methods that I show you if your camera appears. For the second method, we're going to click on our computer name again, head over to Action and then click on Scan for hardware changes. Then your camera should appear, or it might appear as a question mark right here. If it does, then just right click on it and then click on Update. If it's still not showing, head over to Action and then click on Add Legacy Hardware and then click on Next. Then I'm going to do the automatic one, click on Next and just follow all of the steps and it might work for you. If it's still not showing, head over to Action again, Add Legacy Hardware, click on Next. This time do the Install Hardware that I select manually. And then select Cameras, click on Next, and then you might have it right here, or it might be a built-in camera, it will say Microsoft or something like that. Just click on it, click on Next, follow all the steps. If it's still not working, then scroll down and then click on Imaging Devices, and then click on Next, and then it might say it right here, and click on Next, follow the steps. After your camera appears and you click on Enable, if your camera is not working, just restart your computer.